Hi, hello, and welcome to Plated Poultry, a series on poultry recipes. Please hit the subscribe button below for more videos. Let's get into the video. Today we're gonna cook lemon chicken. For lemon chicken, I have taken half a kilograms of chicken. I have picked up the thigh piece and I've cut into medium pieces like this. So we're gonna marinate this chicken first. So for marination, you need 100 ml of curd, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon lemon zest, 1 teaspoon salt, lemon juice extracted from half a lemon, medium-sized lemon. Pepper powder, I have taken 2 tablespoons, but right now for marination I'm going to use only half of this. So let's mix it well and marinate. Now we will allow the chicken to marinate for 20 minutes. So we're going to keep it aside. 2 medium onions grated. The reason I am taking it as grated is this will actually give us more of a gravy for this chicken. Ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon. Curry leaves, 2 strips. And 4 to 5 green chilies slit. 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Chopped coriander for garnish. I have taken medium-sized pot and I'm using 50 ml of refined oil. Once the oil is heated up, add the curry leaves and green chilies. Add the onion. Saute it till it gets glossy. Once the onion is cooked to glossy, we'll add the ginger garlic paste. Cook it till the rawness of the ginger garlic paste is gone. The ginger garlic is cooked now. Now we'll add the marinated chicken. Mix it well. Once it comes to a boil, close the lid and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. Now the chicken's cooked for 10 minutes. At this point, we'll add the remaining pepper powder. Mix it well. Taste the salt. Needs a little bit of salt. Lower the flame. Mix it well. Switch off the stove. Add the remaining 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and coriander, chopped corianders. Mix it well. The pepper lemon chicken is ready. Hope you love this video. Please like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you for watching.